So in this video, I'll tell you exact commands that you need to get started with Git Worktrees right away without you having to jump over 10 different videos and blog articles for you to understand what is Git Worktrees. So what Worktrees is that whenever you are working on a project and you have a lot of changes currently. So for example, on my left hand side, I have like a lot of changes that I'm working on in the main branch, and suddenly I get a bug fix request or like a new feature that I want to work on. So traditionally I would have to like stash all of these changes and go to the new branch and create everything there. But right now you can just go ahead and create a new work tree by running this command, and it just creates a new branch. So I already have this branch, so I just will remove the -b, and you can see that my new work tree is prepared. And at any given point in time, you can just run git worktree list for you to see all the work trees that are created. And on my right side here, I am on the parent directory of this weather application, so I can just cd into the new work tree that I created. So you can see that both of these are basically the copy of the same thing. So now I can just create a new branch and prepare all my fixes there and get started on a new feature while my other agents or I am working on a separate thing in my main working directory. So this is the power of Git Worktrees. And imagine you are done working here on your second work tree and now you want to get rid of it. So you can just come back to the parent directory and just delete that directory that you newly created, and yeah, that's it. And if you come back to your main directory and run git worktree list again, you will see that beside the next worktree that you created, there's a prunable tag here. So all you have to do is run git worktree prune, so that it basically gets rid of all the prunable worktrees. So now you can see I just have one worktree. So this is what I do usually with Git Worktrees, that allows me to work on multiple features and fixes in parallel. And I use a lot of shortcuts for Git Worktrees. I don't have to type long commands. So you can type git down below so that I can send you over the list of shortcuts that I use for my Git Worktree work, so that you can just copy paste them and get started working right now.